Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you reverse parking sensors for Maserati Ghibli 2016. We're actually installing this car reverse parking sensors and front parking sensors. So first thing we're going to show you the rear ones in here. We have 4 in the back, and now we're going to go to the front and show you the front ones. So in the front we have 2 sensors, one in here, one in the other corner. I'm going to show you how the system looks inside. So when you enter the vehicle, start the vehicle. So the front sensors are on with accessory. As soon as the vehicle is running, front sensors are turned on. We're going to get close to the wall, and we're gonna have an indication showing us we have about 0.40 centimeters, so 0.4 meters. So that's 40 centimeters, and shows us that the left sensor and the right sensor has an interference. The closer we get, the sounds will get faster. Now we're gonna go in reverse. Go towards our gate. Now we can see we have the sensor starting from much farther, 2.5 meters, and the reason is when you're reversing you want to know ahead of time that you have interference. When you're driving forward you can see the interference, but you also don't want to have it just giving you sound in traffic, so this is why it's shorter in the front and farther in the back. We get close, we see the interference on the left and a little bit on the right. The sound gets faster and faster as close as we get. Okay, and that gives us about less than 30 centimeters, less than a feet to the front. I'll put the vehicle back in drive and the sound goes away. Parking sensor systems front and back are available for many different vehicles. You can always find it at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.